Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shankari, consultant dermatologist. So today I'm going to discuss about a very common problem. So this is called as DPN, that is dermatosis papulosa nigricans. So these are nothing but they are small, either raised or elevated lesions which are either black or brown in color. And these are nothing but they are tiny projections which are nothing but extra growth of the skin which usually occurs in the face, especially around the eyes, near the forehead, sometimes in the chin and cheek area, and also in the neck area. Now these are something which are harmless, and as in it's not a disease, it's actually a normal physiological process which is genetically mediated. So coming to the causes, as I already told you, this is mostly genetic in origin, as in the parents or the grandparents would have had it, so it passes via genes. But there are certain add-on factors which can actually enhance its progression. So one is the aging factor, and too much of exposure to sunlight can also aggravate this condition. Uh, and then not taking care of the skin, as in not using a proper sunscreen, and then applying too much of cosmetics on the skin can also aggravate this condition. Coming to the treatment part, as such I already told you that it is not a disease, so there is no treatment for it. We remove this only for cosmetic reasons, or when the lesions become very big, as in if they become painful, or if they start bleeding, or if it gets infected because of certain reasons. So these are the times when we actually plan for it, surgical removal. So this is actually a very simple OPD procedure, and we usually remove it with a procedure called electrocautery, that is a radio frequency procedure. So it's called as a lunchtime procedure, as in we just apply the anesthesia cream over these lesions for just 1 hour or something to make the skin numb, and then we try to remove these lesions with a handheld device which is called as the RF Pro, and it hardly takes some 10-20 minutes to remove these lesions which are mostly present over the face. And after the procedure is done, we post-procedure care is very less, that is we apply only a topical, that is it's like an antibiotic cream we apply and we send the patient. So usually it takes 1 week for the skin to heal, and it usually looks like an insect bite marks after the procedure is done. And after 1 week the skin is completely normal. Then most of my patients asked me, like, once we remove it, doctor, that will we get it back again? Now I would say maybe at the same spot the patient will not get, maybe in the other spots they can get, because this is genetically mediated. But there are no ointments or creams for this DPN lesions. I have seen many patients who have tried various home remedies, like applying garlic extract, then onion extract and lemon juice, and then baking soda over all these lesions, seeing some YouTube videos. So it's better that you don't try this home remedies or these regimens which are not proven scientifically, because these things can actually burn the skin. And I have got patients who have literally burned the skin, and they have come to me with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So it becomes like a double trouble. So my only advice to all of you who have DPN is that either you get it removed properly with a dermatologist, or you leave it just like that. Coming to prevention of this, now something which is being mediated by genes, we cannot totally prevent it, but yeah, we can reduce the frequency of this by taking care of the skin properly with the use of a good sunscreen wherein the SPF is more than 50, and cleansing the skin properly, taking care of the skin in a better way with proper hydration, and that's it. Thank you.